So children, coming to ninth class triangles lesson revision. So first question, children. First question is like this, children. See here. First question. See what this means in first question. Please see here, everyone. Okay. So what this means, children. This is A. This is C. This is B. This is D, children. See here, all of you. This and this are equal, and this and this are equal. He said. This and this are equal. Okay. We have to prove that, children. See here. BC is equal to BD. Children, we have to prove that BC is equal to BD. Children, whenever a question comes, you have to write first what is given. What is given, children? AC is equal to AD given. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is given. What is required to prove, children? Required to prove, we have to prove that BC is equal to BD. Okay, so proof. Proof. Okay, children. In triangle ACB and ADB, there is two triangles, ACB and ADB. So AC is equal to AD. AC is equal to AD. Why, children? AC is equal to AD? Given.
Given.
AC is equal to AD given, children. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why, children?
Why,
Given.
sir?
Given. Angle 1 is
Given,
given.
given, sir. Given.
AB is equal to AB. Why, children?
Common.
Common side. AB is equal to AB because it is common side. It is present in both of them. So by side angle side, by S say yes. By S say yes, we can say ACB is congruent to ACB is congruent to AD. ACB is congruent to ADB means by CPCT. By CPCT, what we can say, children? BC is equal to BD. BC is equal
BC
to BD.
equals to BD.
Children, if they are congruent, congruent means all sides equal, all angles equal. Congruency means this equal, he only said. This is common side, of course. This and this are also equal. And if they want, we can say angle C is equal to angle D also, we can say. If you want angle C is equal to angle D also, we can say. How? By CPCT. If you want, you can say angle 3 is equal to angle 4 also, you can say. How, children? By CPCT. So many things you can say, children, if they are congruent. So like this, you have to do, children. Whenever any question comes, you have to write given, you have to write required to prove. If any construction is the construction you have to write, then you have to prove. In what triangles you are proving? In triangle ACB and ADB. These are the conditions. Compulsory. What are the conditions? Why they are equal? You have to write, children, here. If you don't write this, no, children, you will not get marks, children. Be careful behind this. This is first question, children. Okay. Anyone have any doubt, children, in this? Please keep copying, children. Don't waste time.
No, sir.
Yeah, please keep copying. Don't waste time. Second question, I will do, children. Second question. So coming to the second question, children. Second question, what they said, we'll see. So children, this is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Okay, children, A, B, C, D. In the A, B, C, D, please see here, children. AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. They have given, children. And this full angle is equal to this full angle, children. This full angle is there. No, children, this full angle equal to this full angle. Okay, what we have to prove means there are so many conditions we have to prove, children. I'm writing here, I'm erasing this. Please keep copying, children. Don't waste time. So what is given means, children, see here, AD is equal to BC, they have given. And they also gave that angle DAB, angle DAB is equal to angle CBA, angle CBA. What we have to prove, children? Required to prove. Please see here, children. Required to prove. What we have to prove means we have to prove first ABD. This triangle is congruent to ABD is congruent to BAC. Please see here, children. BAC. This triangle is congruent to this triangle. We have to prove, children. Okay. And we should also prove that BD is equal to AC. Of course, that will come by CPCT. Angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. We have to. So children, for your convenience, I am dividing these two triangles. Down one I will remove like this, and upper one I will remove like this, children, so that you will not have any confusion. Please see here, children. So this is A, B, D, and other one is A, B, C. Two triangles. This triangle I wrote here, this triangle I wrote here, children, so that you will not have any confusion. And they already said that this and this are equal, he said. This angle equal to this angle, he said. This and this are this and this are common side. This and this are common side. So children, in triangles, ABD and BAC. Please see children, in triangles ABD and BAC, AB is equal to BC. Why children? Given. Angle A is equal to angle B.
Sir,
Angle A is
AD is equal to BC, sir.
AD. Sorry, AD is equal to BC. Okay. Angle A is equal to children. Angle A is equal to angle B. Why children? Given.
Given.
And AB is equal to AB. Why children?
Common.
Common side. Why again side angle side? By yes, say yes. What are congruent children? This triangle ABD is congruent to BAC. ABD is congruent to BAC. Now let's go for CPCT children. By CPCT, children, this triangle and this triangle are congruent with BD is equal to AC automatically. BD is equal to AC by CPCT. If two triangles are congruent, all sides and all angles are equal. And also angle ABD, this section, angle ABD, this angle also equal to BAC, this angle. Okay, so angle ABD also equal to angle BAC. How children? By CPCT, same. And if you want this angle equal to this angle also, you can write angle D is equal to angle C also, you can write. How? By CPCT. Everything is by CPCT only, children. Everything is by CPCT only. Hope you are able to understand, children. Please try to copy, children, and practice the sums. Yeah, one second. One second.
Sir, after your
Yeah. One second. Yeah. So please keep copying, children. Okay. Next question. Okay. So children, for your convenience, I divided into two triangles and I did, children. You have to practice. If you practice, textbook sums are very easy, children. Third question. Mute your audio, children. Don't make any noise. Third question. See here. Children, they have given this equal to this means 90 degrees. It always means 90 degrees. This is O, this is BC, this is A, this is D. Okay, children. So what they have given, AD and BC are equal perpendiculars. Okay, given children. See here, I'm writing given AD is equal to BC. Okay, AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment. So we have to prove that. Required to prove. Children, they said only this, children. That's all. That's all they said. And required to prove is we have to prove that CD bisects AB. CD bisects AB means anyone? What is the meaning? CD bisects AB means what we have to prove, children? Anyone? CD bisects AB means
A
what?
equals to AD.
CD bisects AB means we have to prove that OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OB or OB is equal to OA. Children, CD bisects AB means we have to prove that this and this are equal. CD bisects AB means this and this are equal. We have to prove. Let's prove, children. There are two triangles. Can you see OBC in OBC and what is the other one? OAD. OBC and OAD. Children, this angle is this angle B is equal to angle A. Why, children?
90 degrees.
90 degrees. Simple, children. 90 degrees. Angle O is equal to angle O.
Vertically opposite.
Vertically opposite angles. BC is equal to AD. Given. By anyone? By
AAS.
AAS. Angle side. By AAS. Triangle OBC is congruent to triangle OAD. Triangle OBC is congruent to triangle OAD. Okay, children. When triangle OBC is congruent to OAD, we know we can write so many CPCTs. By CPCT, children, this triangle and this triangle are congruent. So by CPCT, what we can say? Can we say OA is equal to OB?
Yes, sir.
If OA is equal to OB, if OA is equal to OB, then we can say what we can say?
CD bisects AB.
CD bisects AB. That's all. If OA is equal to OB, I can say CD is only bisecting it. I can say like that. If OA is equal to OB, I can say CD only bisecting them. If OA is equal to OB, then I can say CD is bisecting AB. CD is bisecting AB. Like that, children. Like that, you should understand and you should do, children. Very easy sums. I'm telling you, no, children. Very, very easy sums. Only thing is you have to practice children after I complete the class. Then you will never forget it. Shall I erase it, children? Yes, children, shall I erase it?
1 second, sir. 1 second. Now you can edit.
Next question. Fourth question. See, children, fourth question, what I said. Children, this both are parallel lines. These both are parallel lines, he said. And this is some transversal, like, not transversal, it's a diagonal, children. So, children, P and Q, given, I'm writing here, children, given P is parallel to Q. And he also said that L is parallel to M, L is parallel to M. Okay, children? And what they gave in the middle means A, B, C, D, children. A, B, C, D. Okay. Required proof. What is required to prove, children? We have to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle 3D. Or triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABC is congruent to CDA. Okay, children. So, children, these both are parallel. These both are parallel. So, so many methods are there, children. So many methods are there. If opposite sides are parallel lines, we can say parallelogram, or else we can say like this also. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why, children?
Alternate angle.
Alternate interior.
Alternate interior angles. True. Of which parallel lines? Of which parallel lines?
A
L and M.
L and M.
L parallel to M. In the same way, AC is equal to AC. Why, children?
Common side.
Common side. In the same way, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Why, children? Anyone?
Alternate
Alternate.
interior
Alternate
angle of
interior angles of
L
P parallel to Q.
superior
P parallel to Q. 3 and 4 are equal because P is parallel to Q. 1 and 2 are equal because L is parallel to M. 1 and 2 are equal because L is parallel to M. 3 and 4 are equal because P is parallel to Q. By which congruency, anyone? Which congruency?
Yes.
By ASA congruency. By ASA congruency, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDE, whatever they want. Like that, children. So like that we have to prove, children. Okay. After proving that by CPCT, so many things we can say, children, but they didn't ask. I am not saying, children. They did not ask about CPCT. Okay, children, very easy sum. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because these both are parallel. Angle 3 is equal to 4 because these both are parallel. And this is common side by ASA. These both triangles are congruent. By CPCT, so many things we can say, children. Okay, children, next question. Next question, children. Please see here. Please keep copying, children. Don't waste time. Fifth question is over. No, fifth question. See, children, fifth question is like this. So, children, from here they have dropped a perpendicular. From here they have dropped a perpendicular. What is the question means? A, B, P, and Q, and L. So many things they have given. Okay, children. Given I'm writing. Please see here, children. Given. What is a given means? They said that line L is the bisector. Bisector means angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because AL is angle bisector. AL is angle bisector. Angle bisector means this angle equal to this angle. Right? So indirectly, children. And they also said that these both are 90 degrees. He said that BQ and BP are perpendiculars. BQ and BP are perpendiculars. Okay, so required proof. What is required to prove, children? We have to prove that APB is congruent to AQB. APB is congruent to AQB. We have to prove that APB is congruent to AQB, and also we have to prove that BP is equal to BQ. Chalo, children. I'm doing proof, children. It's very easy proof. In AQB and APB, I will write it in AQB and APB, in AQB and APB, what happens? Okay, first one, children, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why, children? Given
Given.
L
AL is bisector. Angle Q is equal to angle P. Why, children?
90 degrees.
90
90
degrees.
degrees given. 90 degrees perpendicular is given. AB is equal to AB. Why, children?
Common.
Common.
Common side.
Common side. When they give common side, which congruency you will write, children? Which congruency? By
AAS.
AAS.
by AAS. By AAS congruency. AQB is congruent to ABB. By CPCD, what will write, children?
BC is
BQ
equal
is equal to
to
BP. BQ is equal to BP. That's all. Over. By CPC, you can say BQ is equal to BP. BQ is equal to BP. If you want, you can also write AQ is equal to AP also, you can write. If you want, you can write angle 3 is equal to angle 4 also. So many things you can write. Children. Apart from BQ is equal to BP, you can also write AQ is equal to AP. And also you can write angle 3 is equal to angle 4. They need to ask, just I'm saying, if they're congruent, all sides are equal and parallel. If triangles are congruent, all sides are equal and then parallel. Children. Hope you are able to understand, children. Now the most important questions are coming, children. Next three questions are continuously very important, children, because we will take a common angle between them. Very important. Please pay attention, children. Very important. Sixth question. So sixth question, what they said means, children, they have given one triangle like this, and another triangle like this. They have given, children. Okay, and they have joined this, children, just to confuse you. It is of no importance, children. Just to confuse you, they have given. Okay, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E. Okay, so given. What is given, children? Here they said that AC is equal to AE. This and this are equal. And they also said that AB is equal to AD. AB is equal to AD. This and this are equal, children. Okay, so prove that and BAD is equal to EAC. Angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. Children, please see here. Angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. This angle itself. What is required to prove? We have to prove that, children, see here, all of you, BC is equal to DE. BC is equal to DE, we have to prove. Okay, children. So, let us assume, let DAC be X and DAC be X, children. So, for your convenience, children, what I will do, I will draw into two separate triangles, children. One triangle is like this, A, B, C. Other triangle is like this, children. A, D, E. They said that AB is equal to AD, he only said that. AC is equal to AE, he only said that. But only part only they said equal, children, only part. But total if I want, can I write this 1 I will write, this is 2 I will write. Can I write 1 plus x, children, full? In
yes,
this
sir.
in this triangle, please see here, 1 plus x, can I write, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, in this triangle, I am writing this as 1 plus x, children. Okay, in this triangle, I am writing it as 1 plus x. And in this triangle, I am writing this angle as what, children?
2 plus
2 plus
x.
x.
2 plus x.
Already angle 1 is equal to angle 2, children. So 1 plus x also will be equal to 2 plus x, because when equals are added to equals, wholes are equal. When equals are added to equals, wholes are equal. Okay, children. So now let's start proving, children. AB is equal to AD. Why, children? Given. Angle 1 plus x is equal to angle 2 plus x. Why, children? Given.
Proved.
Given and proved. AC is equal to AE. Why, children? Given. So by
Given.
SA, yes, we can say BAC is congruent to DAE. If BAC is congruent to DAE, by CPCP, what we can write, children? By CPCD, what we can write, children? By CPCD, we can say
AC
BC is
equals
equal
to
to
C.
DE. BC is equal to DE. By CPCD, we can say BC is equal to DE over, children. That's all.
AC equals to AE.
AC is equal to AE. He only gave, no, right? See,
Yes, sir.
why this BC is equal to DE we want. We
Okay.
wanted that. Okay, and CE is of no use just to confuse the CE children. That's all. Like this children, so you have to be very careful because in the middle we have taking X. That because of taking X, it is became very very important children. Next question. Okay, next question children. See here. Somewhat like this children. This is they said that this is a APD. Children, this is APD. This is BPC. Okay, what they gave VPE. Yeah, this is E children. This is E. Children, please concentrate, children, all of you. Again, I will not say this lesson, your wish, children. Angle A is equal to angle B, they only give, children, given. Angle A is equal to angle B, they only give. AP is equal to BP, they only gave, children. AP is equal to BP, they only gave. And they also gave that BAD is equal to BAD, children. B, what they gave, children? They also gave that such that BAD is equal to ABE, okay, and they also gave that EPA is equal to DPP. This triangle, EPA is equal to DPB, they give you. EPA is equal to DPB, angle EPA is equal to angle DPB. So children, again in the middle I am assuming it as X. Why sir, you may ask. Slowly, if you want, you divide and see children. If I divide the triangles, two triangles I will get. What is the name of this triangle? DPA. What is the name of this triangle, children? EPB. Seriously, if you see, AP is equal to BP, they only gave children. Angle A is equal to angle B, they only gave no problem. But here, only little part they have given. So whole thing, if I want to write this 1 and 2 are equal, he said children. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, he said. But if I want whole thing, what should I write? 1
Angle
plus
1 plus
x
x
is
is
equal
equal
to
to angle 2 plus x.
angle 2 plus x, angle 2 plus x, angle 1 plus x. Children, they gave only till here equal, they said children, till here equal. But who will say this equal? That we have proved it by putting x angle in the middle. Very, very important children. Compulsory this question will come in the exam. Now I am proceeding for the proofing children. See here, first proof. Angle A is equal to angle B. Why children? Given. AP is equal to BP. Why children?
Given.
Common side. Angle 1 plus x is equal to angle 2 plus x. Why children? Given, and also we proved with x. So by ASA, angle side angle, what we can say children? By ASA, what we can say? What they ask you to prove children? Here required to prove, I'm writing. See here children, they ask you to prove BAP is congruent to EBP. Okay, this is first one, and AD is equal to BE also they ask. AD is equal to BE. Okay, children. So by ASA, we can say that DAP is congruent to EBP. DAP is congruent to EBP. DAP is congruent to EBP. How? By ASA. Because they are congruent. By CPCT, what we can write? AD is equal to CBE. What we can write, children? AD is equal to BE. Very, very important, children. Among this, anyone will compulsory combine children because many of them they don't understand why to take this X, children. Why to take this X, they will never understand. That's why it's very, very important, children. So you have to practice this, children. Why I took X means they gave only part of the angle as equal, children. So to make it as a complete angle, I took as X. They gave only part of the angle as equal. To make a complete angle from here to here, 1 plus x is equal to 2 plus x I put. That's why I have divided the triangles also and I showed. See here. Okay, children? Please copy, children. Last question, children. Among all the questions, last question is English, children. Very, very important. Very, very, very important. Last questions. Okay, ninth question, eighth question, eighth question. So, children, the eighth question they give like this. Children. See here. This is A, C, B, D, and M. What is given, children? What is given? They said that it is angle C is 90 degrees, Right angle means angle C is 90 degrees. ACB is right angle triangle means angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Children. Indirectly said angle C is 90 degrees and M is the midpoint of AB. M is midpoint of AB. What does it mean?
AM is equal
A,
to BM.
very good. AM is equal to BM. He said indirectly that. And they also said that DM is equal to CM. DM is equal to CM also. They only said DM is equal to CM. Okay. So what are required to proofs we will write here, children? Required to proofs first you have to prove that AMC is congruent to BMD. AMC is congruent to BMD. This we have to prove equal, children. And also we should prove that angle B is also 90 degrees. We should prove angle B is also 90 degrees. We should prove. Okay, and DBC is congruent to ABC. This full triangle is congruent to this full triangle. We should write. DBC is congruent to ACB. We should write, children. And also we should write CM is equal to half of AB. CM is equal to half of AB. All these things we have to prove, children. Shall we start, children? Proof?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, children. Proof.
Yes,
See
sir.
here. Okay, so first let us prove this both, children. This both let us prove, children. So in AMC and DMB, children, DM is equal to CM. Why, children? Okay. 1 second. AM is equal to BM. Why, children?
Given.
M is midpoint. They only give that M is midpoint. Angle M is equal to angle M. Why, children? Vertically
Vertical.
opposite angle.
Vertically opposite angle.
Next, CM is equal to DM. Why, children? Given. CM is equal to DM, given, children. So by yes, say yes, what we can say, AMC is congruent to BMD. Okay, children, by writing however you want, you should not write, children. There should be some procedure, children. See, AM is equal to BM. AM is equal to BM. CM is equal to DM. CM is equal to DM. Okay, and AC is equal to BD. Of course, AC is equal to BD. Like that, it should come, children. And we know angle M is equal to angle M. That's why angle M and angle M should be in the middle. There should be some correct order, children. AMC, because AM is equal to BMD. First I wrote BM, children. Like that, you should write whenever you write it. However, I will write AMC is equal to MBD. Like that, you should not write, children. We will not accept it. Okay. So AMC is congruent to BMD. First one is over. Okay, children. Because AMC is congruent to BMD, by CPCP, so many things we can write, children. Two things mainly I can write, children. Number one, AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. Number two, what I can write, children? I can write, children, these both triangles are congruent. These both triangles are congruent. Can I write angle 1 is equal to angle 2, children? Can I write angle 1 is equal to angle 2?
Yes, sir.
Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, I can write, children. Okay. Sir,
Triangle no,
Yes, sir.
you will say why this and this you took, sir. You can take this and this, no, sir. You may ask, but this and this are not equal, no, children. This and this are equal. That's why angle 1 is equal to angle 2. If you want angle 3 is equal to angle 4, you can write. If you want angle 3 is equal to angle 4, 1 and 2 are equal. Compulsory, you should write like that only. If you want, you can write angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Why? When this and this sides are equal. Now, children, seriously speaking, as angle 1 is equal to angle 2. As angle 1 is equal to angle 2. As angle 1 is equal to angle 2. What we can say, children? Alternate angles are equal. As alternate angles are equal, can I say BD is parallel to AC? BB is parallel to AC because alternate angles are equal. How are alternate angles are equal? We are not even understanding. See, children, this I will remove slowly, and for some time, just now you see, children. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 means are they both parallel, children? As alternate angles are equal, these both are parallel lines. Now you can understand, children. Okay, like that. You have to concentrate, children. You are not concentrating. Okay, so DB is parallel to AC. DB is parallel to AC. If DB is parallel to AC, angle C is 90 degrees means angle C is 90 degrees means angle B also 90 degrees. Why, children? Anyone?
Co-interior angles.
Co-interior angles are supplementary.
Supplementary.
Co-interior angles are supplementary. If this is 90 degrees, this is also 90 degrees. Okay, children. Now, this triangle and this triangle, I will draw separately, children, for you. This triangle. What is the name of this triangle? DBC. What is the name of this triangle, children? ACB. Two triangles I am writing separately, children. This is 90. Again, this is 90. We prove. BC is equal to BC, common side. BD is equal to AC. We proved here, children. We proved here. Okay. So just to see the proof, children, here, everyone. BD is equal to AC. Why, children? CPCT. Where CPCT? Here. Angle B is equal to angle C. Why, children? 90 degrees. BC is equal to BC. Why, children? Common side. Why? Yes, say yes. I can say DBC is congruent to ACB. If DBC is congruent to ACB by CPCT, what we can write, children, by CPCT? By CPCT, what we can write, children? By CPCT, we can write CD is equal to AB. CD is equal to AB. Okay, children? By CPCT, I can write it. Children, this entire triangle equal to this entire triangle. So I can write CD is equal to this full angle is this full side, children. This full side is equal to this full side. CD is equal to AB. CD is equal to AB. I have proved it, children. Now, last one I want CM is equal to half of AB. CM is equal to half of AB.
2 of CM is equals to AB.
CD, what we can write, children? CD, what we can write? CD, what we can write? CM plus
CM.
DM. Children, CD, what we can write? CM plus DM. Children, CD, what we can write? CM plus DM. But CM and DM are equal. How they are equal, children? They only give first only there. So 2CM is equal to AB. First only they said, children, CM and DM
Yes,
are
sir.
equal. So CM is equal to half of AB. CM is equal to half.
Yes, sir.
Over, children. This is the most important sum in this exercise, children. Please copy, children, all of you. Copy, children.